Nasekhaya siqala ePulukwane kuBetway Premier League. Umagezi neTS Galaxy. Kunomuntu bamkhahlelile la. Asiboneni ke ukuthi no bamkhahlele kahle ipenalty wayebangayinikanga. Asiyeni ke uSibanyoni lana undamane lana ukhahlela uSibanyoni. But asambeni siyobona ke ku what we call underload 12 kick or attempt to kick an opponent. It's a direct free kick offense. Let's see undamane there ukhahlela uSibanyoni inside the penalty area. Assistant referee did not give. Referee Eugene Mdluli did not give, but we can see here at Soccer Zone that kicking was supposed to be a penalty. It was not given by Eugene Mdluli, unfortunately. Asiyeni ke siya ku CAF. Lana siya ku Sundowns and Al. Big match at Hlungwane. Right. Here asambeni ke siyobona good, you know, was it offside or not? VAR land, but Tina so one is and no Gradisa, when he scores that goal, he received a ball from his teammate who was in an offside position. You can see that there are two players in an offside position. Here is the line, clear offside. The player is now interfering with play, and then Gradisa scored the goal. So correct decision to give offside in this situation because the player was indeed offside and he interfered with play. Asambeni ke siya FNB. Hey, lana ke ziyabuya ma but askala ke sibona Umayela. Hey, Fiston, hey man. Asiboneni ke Umayela scored the goal, but that's what we call deliberate play and deflection. Right now, Mayela is in an offside position. We're going to draw the line and show you that indeed he's in an offside position. Saying I pause. He's in an offside position there. Now, we're going to see whether Umbokas, did he deliberately play the ball or it deflected. The law says when you jump, you're no longer in control of the ball. So, as one jumper, is he in control of the ball or not? He jumps, he's no longer in control of the ball. So, that is deflection. And deflection, the player now is gaining an advantage by being in that position. So offside decision, correct decision for offside because the player is now gaining an advantage by being in that position.
Who is making a final decision to go and check VAR after checking it? After checking it, who makes a final decision on what I've seen on VAR? Very quickly, you can answer that one.
I know, referee can initiate and the VAR room can initiate.
Can you explain why Pyramid's goal was overturned by VAR and not this one, the second one?
In rule 80, let's go to the law first. It scores in the opponent's goal, direct from their hand or arm, even if accidental, even if football does not accept a goal scored by the hand. That is the law. You can see immediately with their hand or the ball touches their hand or arm, even if accidental. Did the ball touches the player's hand? It touches the player's hand. When it touches the player's hand, it goes into the net. What does the law says? Even if it's accidental, you can see there. Now, referees gave a goal. VAR comes in and say, hey, you did not see the hand. As somebody no, the ball touched the player's hand. Right. As one indicates, clearly you can see that it touched the hand, and then the referee there indicate there.
Let's get the correct one. Oh, there it is.
Yes, there's the VAR.
No, that's a previous goal.
That's the one.
That's a previous goal.
Right. So this one, you'll see the referee indicating that the ball touches the player's hand. So when the ball touches the player's hand, then it means, now let's go and check this one. If we can see.
There it is.
Yes, that's the one. Right. Let's see there. The ball touches the player's hand. Everyone can see a card.
Let me ask you the question. Let me ask you the question that everybody's asked.
Yeah.
They say if I was defending and that hit my hand, I would be told, Uguti did not make my body any bigger. The hand was next to my body, so therefore should it have been a goal because he didn't enlarge his body in any way.
People are confused. Here we're talking of scoring with the hand. If you score with the hand, football is not allowed. But if you're a defender, it touches your hand and you're a defender, then that's where we talk of natural or unnatural. But when you score with the hand as an attacker,
natural or unnatural doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Well, we're going to get out.